Do not ever let me see you texting and driving. All your driving privileges will be out the door. If I ever see a video or I'm in the car with you and I see you answer your phone or something while you're driving, it's a f***ing wrap. Good. Start practicing. So those could be cars. I'm fine with it. You're getting more confident, right?
It's a little different though when you started getting to that street. You was like, huh, what? you want me to go where?
I'm trying to be calm. I'm like, okay, stop. Why we still stop? Stop. About to have a driver, which means I'm gonna have somebody else to take his brothers to practice.
Okay, no, wait, no.
It's all right. The hardest part about driving is understanding what sides of the road to be on, when to drive, when not to drive, when to indicate. You got other people flying by.